wet, wet. Wet. Peg, peg.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you need classroom posters, worksheets, and flashcards, please visit my Etsy shop. Link in the description box.